Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to the channel. If you are on a twin flame journey and feeling lost, heartbroken, or spiritually exhausted, today's message is for you. We are talking about the dark night of the soul and how this powerful experience can lead to profound twin flame growth and transformation. Take a deep breath, open your heart, and let's dive in. Have you ever felt like your world was falling apart? Like everything you once believed in suddenly stopped making sense? For many people on the twin flame journey, this experience begins after meeting someone who awakens part of them that they never knew existed. The connection feels magical, intense, and life changing. But then something unexpected happens. Challenges appear, separation occurs, old wounds rise to the surface, and that's often when the dark night of the soul begins. The dark night of the soul is a period of deep emotional and spiritual transformation. It can feel like you're losing your sense of identity. Things that once brought comfort no longer satisfy you. You may feel disconnected from others, from the purpose, and even from yourself. It's a painful experience, but it is also a sacred one because underneath the confusion, your soul is preparing for growth. On the twin flame journey, the phase is often triggered by separation. When the person you feel deeply connected to pulls away or disappears from your life, it can bring intense emotion to the surface: fear of abandonment, fear of rejection, feelings of not being worthy enough. These emotions can be overwhelming, but they are not appearing to punish you. They are appearing so they can finally be healed. Many people believe the twin flame journey is about finding their perfect partner. But as the journey unfolds, they realize it's actually about finding themselves. The connection acts like a mirror. It reflects both your light and the shadows. It shows you the areas where healing is needed. And while this process can be uncomfortable, it creates an opportunity for tremendous personal growth. During the dark night, you may find yourself questioning everything. Why is this happening? Why do I feel lost? What is the purpose? The answers may not come right away. In fact, one of the greatest lessons of the pace is learning to trust even when you cannot see the entire path ahead. The ego wants certainty, it wants timeline, it wants guarantees, but the soul invites surrender. It asks you to let go of what no longer serves you and trust that something greater is unfolding. And that can be one of the hardest things we will ever do. As you move through this experience, you begin shedding old version of yourself, the version that looked for validation from others, the version that believed happiness depended on another person, the version that forgot its own worth. Little by little, those layers fall away and your authentic self begins to emerge. You start focusing on your healing. You learn to set healthier boundaries. You develop self love and self respect. You discover your inner strength, and most importantly, you begin realizing that you're already whole. You were never incomplete, you simply forgot who you truly are. This is where twin flame growth happens, not during perfect moments, not through constant communication, but through your commitment to healing yourself. Every time you choose self love over self doubt, you grow. Every time you choose peace over fear, you grow. Every time you honor your own journey, you grow. Eventually, something beautiful begins to happen. Your focus shifts. Instead of asking, when will they come back, you begin asking, how can I become the highest version of myself? That shift changes everything because your happiness is no longer dependent on an outcome, it comes from within. If you're currently experiencing a dark night of the soul, please remember this. You're not broken. You're not failing. You're not alone. This season of darkness is helping you discover your inner light. The challenges you're facing today are preparing you for the person you are becoming tomorrow. Trust your journey, trust your healing, and trust that your soul knows exactly where it is leading to. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. If this message resonated with your heart, please let me know in the comments what the dark night of the soul has taught you on your twin flame journey. And if you're enjoying content about spiritual growth, healing, self love, and twin flame path, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a future upload. Remember, even in the darkest moments, your light is still shining. Until next time, stay grounded, stay open, and keep trusting your beautiful journey. Namaste.